Hello everyone. Here, this is a project for online movie ticket booking system. This is the root folder for the project, which contains all the subfolders required for the project. Now, this is a www root folder which contains all the static files required for the project. Here, this folder controller contains all the controllers which are required for the project. And now here the model folder contains all the model classes which are definitions for the our definition for the objects. Now views folder contains all the views which are according to controller, and all the required HTML files that are placed in this folder. Now here I am running with my project. So let us first log in with admin account. So here admin can add the movie. So let us first add the movie to the system. Here we have to write, we have to enter the date of the movie, and here we have to choose the picture of the movie. So here we can see the movie Raksha Bandhan is created, and if let us admin want to edit this movie, so here let us say best movie, we write it as ever, best movie ever. So here we can see the movie description has been updated. Here let us say user want delete this movie, so by clicking the delete button, so the movie is deleted from this from here. And here admin can see which tickets are booked for a particular movie and which user has uh, booked that movie. That entry, that record will be shown here. This is about admin, and let us if in between, if admin user want to update their details, then that all are here, so that admin is free to change their details. Let us let us now log in with the normal user. So here I am logged in the logged with this j123@gmail.com, and here if a user logged in user want to book that movie ticket, then by clicking book your movie ticket, here user is redirected to booking details, details. So here movie name is displayed, movie date, and seat numbers. Here seat numbers are numbers for which for how many seats are available for this system. There are, for one movie there are 10 seats are available. So let us first create booking for the one seat number 1. So here message is displayed that seat is booked, check your cart, check your cart. So here in cart detail, in cart we can see all the tickets which are added to the cart. And if a user want to check out, then by clicking this button here, it is displaying that what is the charge. So if a user book that ticket, then that ticket will be here. In order details, he can see which tickets he has booked. So now let us again add that seat. So here first we have booked a ticket with seat number 1. Let us first let us now log with book with seat number 9. Then if add to cart button is clicked, then ticket is added to the cart. So here in cart we can see ticket is added to the cart. So if a user is want to delete this movie, it means user is not want to uh, buy this movie ticket. So here you can delete this movie. So here cart is uh, empty and all order details are displayed here. So this is about user, and here this is the functionality same as for admin. And let us log out and check the order details for admin. This is the last. Here in checkbook ticket, here we can see user ID is displayed here, that this movie ID 14 is booked by this user with seat number 1. Okay, this is all about my project. Thank you.